Hey y'all, for this video we're going to be showing you how we made this beautiful floor lamp. We had a few ideas sketched out, but the final design came just through the build process. Here, Tim is just sketching the shape of the main arm onto the board. This board is too long to fit on our CNC, so we're going to have to cut it out with the jigsaw. Now we're going to clean up these rough edges with the table sander. We're going to use the orbital sander here just to really fine-tune the shape of this thing.
So the game plan is just to route the edges on all four sides of this piece here, really give it some shape.
We're going to hit these with the sander again just to make sure that they're ready for staining. We're going to use this piece of offcut and repeat what we just did for the two legs. pretty happy with how this looks, so we're going to mark up where we want the legs. We ran to Ace to find some nice looking hardware. We decided on one big bolt to hold everything together. We're going to drill all 3 pieces so we can fit the bolt through. Now we're going to clean up both legs so the bolt fits a little bit more flush on both sides. Here we're carving a little notch in the top for the rope. And it is time for staining. We're going to be using the same stuff that we used in the last video. We're going to sand one more time just so we can give a second coat on the stain. This plug is super simple, we just have to screw in the positive and negative wire. We're going to pre-drill some small holes just so we don't split the wood when we're nailing in this cord down the back spine. Alright, so this side also has just a spot for the positive and negative wires to get screwed in. If you like this design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below.